Sorry. Is that a Harley Davidson turkey? Flowers might help. An optical illusion? What the hell? A Jaguar dragster? Seems painful. That might work. I agree. $1.59 a gallon? Wow. Enough said. Yeah, it was that cold on my last motorcycle ride. Yeah, son, well, your mother's got to ride somewhere. Keep an eye out for this bike. Every woman must have one of these. Well, I guess I agree with that. Knock, knock. How did he get that in his wallet? This is the bike we really want. It's one tough kid. That one really hurts. He's riding a Kawasaki Vulcan Nomad. Well, I can't hardly wait for this to start. Very interesting. Don't laugh. This is coming. There's a good idea. Or a bad place to see a black cat. The Book of Dreams. Yeah. That might work. Well, I always wondered where they got those. Does the Teamsters Union know about this? So they tell me. Never can tell what they might find in those digs. Those Canadians are funny. Did aliens make these too? Well, I bet they never forget that again. USA on the left and Canada on the right. Santa, your mother knows you're doing that. That's got to be Georgia drivers. Well, I couldn't have said that better myself, Granny. Thanks for watching, folks.